Hey everyone, this is Lori, and in this video I'm going to be talking about free passive income opportunities. So basically, what is passive income? Alright, so for the purposes of this tutorial, we're only going to talk about online passive income opportunities. We're not going to talk about rental property or investments or anything like that. It's going to be strictly online. Alright, so passive income is money earned from a product that you produce once. Okay, for example, digital products. They're very, very popular. So you can make an ebook, get it out there online, and you can make money from it over and over and over. And same with videos, podcasts, and audio files. You produce those once, and you can make income passively where you're not actively working on it anymore. What you might have to do is drive traffic to it and stuff like that, but you're not continually producing it, okay, or continuously. Online courses is another one that you can set up. You can work on it once, and you can put it out on different e-learning platforms that allow people to upload online courses. Affiliate marketing, you can write articles and embed your affiliate links within that article. Selling your photos online. Take a photo once, put it out there online, and make revenue from the sales. Add revenue from your website or YouTube videos. And t-shirt designs. Alright, so the internet has made it possible for the average person to earn a living online without any investment or very little investment. Okay, so I have a couple of monthly expenses, and then I have some annual expenses. Okay, and all of those combined are less than $75. Actually, I take that back. Annually, it's less than, I believe, $25. And monthly, it's right around or a little over $25. Okay, so my expenses are very, very minimal. Okay, so anyways, most people don't understand or realize that there are a lot of free tools to produce digital products. Okay, so for producing an ebook or a PDF file, you can use OpenOffice. I made this presentation with the presentation tool that's similar to Microsoft Office. Okay, for free screen recorders, you can use Screencast-O-Matic. I'm using Screencast-O-Matic to record this video. Free tool to record a podcast or audio file. You can download Audacity for free. Okay, so the first one I want to talk about is affiliate marketing. That's one of my favorite ways. It's unlimited income, unlimited products, unlimited services, unlimited companies, unlimited everything. You can join as many affiliate programs and promote as many affiliate products or services that you want to promote. Okay, so if you don't have a website, there are alternatives to get yourself out there online and start building your following. Okay, or followers. All right, you can set up a Facebook business page for free. You can also set up a LinkedIn page as well, and you can add informative or engaging posts and include affiliate links within those posts. You can write articles and insert affiliate links. If you don't have a website, you can write articles that can be posted on a site that's called medium.com. And you can do that for free. So platforms like WordPress.org, Wix.com, and Wiggly.com also offer free websites, but your website will be a subdomain. Okay, so like for Wix.com, it would be www.yoursite, the name of your site, okay, whatever it is, .wix.com. And same thing with Wiggly. It would be a .wiggly.com. Okay, just so you're aware of that. Now, if you are not really necessarily worried about SEO at this point and Google, and you just want to drive traffic on your own and not worry about organic traffic, then one of those sites would be ample to get you started. It would be enough to get you started. Okay, and you can also upload videos to YouTube and add affiliate links in your description. However, you do have to alert the viewers that they are affiliate links. Okay, so you want to put a disclaimer in your video description, letting people know that you are an affiliate, and the links in your video description are affiliate links, and you can make money from that sale. So you do want to be transparent. All right, the next one is sell your photos on sharing sites and earn revenue when somebody purchases or people purchase your photos. You could join sites like Shutterstock and Fope. Fope is an app that you can download. Now, Shutterstock and some of the other sites might have, requirements that your photos have to meet, but it will depend on the website that you join. But you definitely, you want to make sure that you take good photos. All right. So to get, in some of these videos that I watch, people list out a bunch of stuff. Okay. But in a couple of years, that information is going to be outdated. Okay. Because websites come and go. Sometimes they're not as popular. They go out of business and they're taken offline. So what I encourage people to do is use a search engine to get the most current information. Okay, so for example, if you want to get the most current information about websites that will allow you to upload your photos and get paid when somebody buys them, search for best websites to sell my photos. And that way you'll get the most up-to-date information. All right, ad revenue. You can set up a YouTube channel, and once you are eligible to monetize your channel, which for now I believe YouTube requires that you have at least 10,000 lifetime views, which really isn't that hard to accomplish, especially if you put up videos on a regular basis. Okay, but as soon as you get that 10,000 views, you can monetize it, you can connect it with AdSense, and you can start making money from the ad revenue. Okay, now there are free YouTube tutorials where you can learn how to set up a YouTube channel, learn how to make videos, do video SEO so your videos can be found and you can be competitive with other videos, write good video descriptions, make good video thumbnail images, and popular topics to talk about in your videos. Okay, now there's also paid courses. Okay, but again, when you do a search out on YouTube, make sure that you filter the information for the last year. Don't look at videos from 5 years ago, because more than likely that information is going to be completely outdated. Okay? So, again, there are a lot of good free tutorials out there to get you started. Okay? Now, you can set up a website, write articles, and monetize your website with Google AdSense, media.net, infolinks.com. Now, I will say that infolinks.com did slow my site down, so I don't use infolinks.com. I do use media.net. Okay. Let's see. All right, t-shirts. All right, you can design t-shirts and make passive income on your sales. All right, especially if they're funny t-shirts, do really well. Join sites like Teespring for free. They offer free design tools and a free store to showcase your t-shirt designs. And there's also an opportunity to monetize your YouTube channel with your Teespring store. Okay, a lot of websites or a lot of YouTubers are doing that. Okay, all right. So just search for to get the latest information on the best T-shirt websites, or sites to upload your T-shirt designs. Do a search for websites to sell my T-shirt designs and get the most up-to-date, the most current websites. All right, so some of my favorite ways to make passive income online. All right, so I make ad revenue for my YouTube channel. I make ad revenue for my site, tipsfromlori.com. And I also do affiliate marketing. Okay, there's a ton of affiliate marketing programs and networks that you could join for free. Okay, and most of them, I don't want to say most of them, but some of them do require a website. Not all of them, but some of them do. So you definitely, if you're going to have any expenses, you definitely want to have web hosting and a website. And again, my web hosting, and I'll go over that in just a minute, it's under $12 a month. Okay, under $12 a month. All right, so I am also involved with Funnel Franchise. That is free to join. They have a lot of training, and you can also make money when people join if they decide to join and upgrade. Okay, but again, it's free, and the free training is really good. Earn Easy Commissions is another one that's free to join, and you can make money on leads. You can make $1 on qualified leads from people who join Earn Easy Commissions through your link who are from the US, Canada, UK, Australia, and New Zealand. Okay, but they have to be qualified and they have to be active. Okay, and then they also, both Funnel Franchise and Earn Easy Commissions also has, they have upgrades, but you still get a lot of good training for free. All right, GetResponse is an email marketing tool that I'm an affiliate for, but I also use for my own business. All right, I'm also an affiliate for Udemy, Skillshare, and Creative Live. Those are online earning platforms or e-learning platforms. Really great courses, both free and paid courses, and they're all great options. All right, Max Bounty CPA offers. That's where people do offers. They don't actually have to buy anything, but they have to sign up for something or submit an email or something like that, and I can get paid, $1 to a couple dollars for each one of those offers that are completed. ClickFunnels is another really good option. They have a lot of good training, and they also offer products that you can promote. JVZoo, ClickBank are two very good options as well for affiliate marketing, but you want to make sure that if you buy them and try them, that's best. If not, you want to make sure that you read reviews to see what people are saying about those products, because the last thing you want to do as an affiliate is promote low quality products, okay, or bad products. All right, so some other ways that I make passive income, and I will say up front, it's not a lot, but it's around $50 to $60 a month, which can pay a couple of bills, go out to eat at a decent restaurant, go out and do something, extra or just whatever. But I make referral income from QME, which involves web searches and completing surveys, Paid Viewpoint, which is surveys, TomAsk/iMoney, download and test iPhone apps, CoinOut, which is cash back from receipts, Perksy, which is, you complete basic, just really easy questions, and you earn points, and you can convert those points into, I believe it's gift cards to like Amazon and different places like that. And then Q1, you answer simple questions, and you can also get referral income from that. So these are some of the other referral incomes that I make on a monthly basis. All right, so some future passive income opportunities that I'm looking forward to are shared revenue models with Kidazzler, Be United, and Quora. Now, Quora is a question and answer forum, and after you've been there for a while and you answer a certain amount of questions, they invite you to the partner program, and you can get paid to answer and ask questions, and that's from ad revenue. Okay, Be United is a worldwide community of people who want to purchase products that help us with less pollution of the world, more sustainable world, like, I'm trying to think of, okay, so basically Be United is just a group of people. It's going to be millions of people throughout the world who buy from certain companies that are very good about using recycled products and making the world more sustainable, less pollution, things like that. Kidazzler is it's all about kids. It's kid-friendly businesses. It's information for parents who have kids. It's kids' activities and things like that. Again, it's all shared revenue models. All right, so what do I do? Okay, so I post videos to YouTube, which is video marketing. I post articles to my website about legitimate opportunities or products that I really like. I actively promote on social media sites, forums, and classified ads, and I do email marketing. Okay? And it's just rinse and repeat. Okay? Post videos, write articles, promote on social media, forums, classified ads, email marketing. None of this stuff is rocket scientist, and you can learn it if you want to. All right, so who do I follow? All right, so there's a lot of gurus out there who claim to be the best person for you to follow, but you want to be careful, okay? Now, I've been doing this since 2014, and the people that I follow are Pat Flynn, Franklin Hatchett, Eric Homeland, and Greg, the caffeinated blogger. I'm not going to say his last name because I don't want to slaughter it, but he's also known as the caffeinated blogger. These are very transparent, honest guys that offer great information. They also have giveaways, and they do a lot of mentoring. Okay? So, and they don't always try to sell you things. Okay? Very good people to follow. Alright, so let's talk about my monthly expenses. Alright, so HostGator, my monthly expense for the baby plan, and I picked the baby plan because it allows me to have as many websites as I want. Okay, all I have to do is go out and buy a domain. I buy all my domains from lifedomains.net. The reason I do that is because they're just really straightforward. Okay, I don't buy domains from GoDaddy anymore because although they offer really good prices the first year, they get you the second year and after that. They double the price. Okay, so I don't recommend GoDaddy, but that's up to you. There's also Namecheap. You can also buy HostGator domains and things like that, but I use lifedomains.net, $10 a year. That's an annual expense. And the other annual expense I have is the Screencast-O-Matic. It's $15 a year. Okay, so you're looking at $25 annually for domains, for a domain, and Screencast-O-Matic, so I could do longer videos. And then my monthly HostGator is $11.95, and then my GetResponse for now is $15, but it will be increasing to $49 because my email list is growing. Okay, so under $27 a month is what I pay. $26.95. Alright, so thanks for watching. Please check out the links in the description for more information. Please like, subscribe, and share. And if you want a video or you want me to make a video about a certain topic, let me know. I'll look into it and see if it's something that that I can do. If not, you can do it as well. So I do really encourage people to do video marketing. It's a lot of fun. You don't have to be on camera. You can do a screen recorder. All right? Thanks for watching, and good luck.